Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to participate in the exciting competitions found in the Cosmic Holidays books, either by email or by sharing your creations on social media. Let's get started. To write an email, we'll follow 6 easy steps. Step 1. Open your email box. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create a free Gmail account at mail.google.com. Of course, you can also use other email services like Outlook, Yahoo, or Hotmail, whichever you prefer. Step 2. Once you're in your inbox, click on Compose or the plus button to start a new email. Step 3. In the To field, type Submit at cosmospublishers.org. Step 4. In the subject line, write the subject of the competition. Step 5. Now, either write your text directly in the email body or attach a file. To attach a file, click the paperclip icon, choose your file, it could be a photo, a document or an audio file, then click Open. Step 6. Once everything's ready, click Send and you're done. You can also share your work on Facebook by following these 5 simple steps. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. Step 2. Click on what's on your mind. To start a new post. Step 3. Write your post with the hashtags #CosmosLearning, #CosmicHolidays. Step 4. Add a photo or video if you'd like. Step 5. Finally, click Post to share it with your friends. Now let's see how to share your work on Instagram. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Step 2. Tap the plus button to create a new post. Step 3. Choose a photo or video from your phone or gallery. Step 4. Write your caption with the hashtags #CosmosLearning, #CosmicHolidays. Step 5. Then tap Share and your post is live. And that's it, super easy. Now it's your turn to show your creativity. Good luck to everyone, we can't wait to see what you create.